What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys this super celery juice recipe. Now celery juice has become one of the most popular juicing recipes out there. Why, you might ask? Celery juice is packed with many health benefits. Celery juice contains antioxidants, enzymes, phytonutrients, multiple vitamins, and more. And this is all surface level stuff. Talk to a nutritionist or a dietitian for more information, or you can look it up on your own. You can receive multiple benefits from its antioxidants, such as promoting nerve cell health, reducing and helping with inflammation, and supporting digestive health. This juice is called Celery Powerhouse juice, named by me, mainly because I'm adding other things such as ginger, lemon, ACV, apple, and honey, like I mentioned already. Ginger is a great root to add to this juice because of its ability to aid digestion, add flavor, and more. Lemon is rich in citric acid and contains more than half of vitamin C needed in your daily diet. Aside from green apples adding sweetness, they can help improve heart health and promote digestive health as well. Apple cider vinegar is a great source of magnesium, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. ACV can help with weight loss, lower blood sugar, and with cholesterol. Honey is a great way to add natural flavor, a natural sweetener as we know. For this recipe though, carrots is optional. I would say if you want to keep the green juice more of that theme, you can add cucumbers. Cucumbers also have a ton of water, which can get you more juice. From this recipe, I got about 75 ounces of juice, and that's a rough estimation. You probably can get 80. Like I said, if you use cucumbers, you can get a little bit more juice. But I use 6 celery stalks, 5 lemons, 4 carrots. I would say substitute that with cucumbers if you want. A 2 to 4 inch piece of ginger. That's all depending on your preference. If you like ginger, you can add a little bit more. I actually like ginger, so that's why I say that. But if you don't like ginger, just a little bit will help. I'll also say do about 4 tablespoons of ACV, apple cider vinegar, and roughly about 4 tablespoons of honey. Depending on how much juice you get, you can add more. I think you need, like, per cup, 1 tablespoon of ACV. So if you really want that effect, go ahead and do that. But as far as this recipe right here, definitely give it a shot. As you see in this picture though, and in the thumbnail, this is just the pure green juice. I didn't put the carrots in this part right here. You can see I got the carrot juice loaded up in the, right up there at the top. Overall, man, really good juice recipe. Leave a like on this video. If you are new to this channel as well, subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Engagement is huge with YouTube. And as I've been growing this channel with the juicing content, it's been really booming for me. So thank you guys for the support. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Like I said, leave a like. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one.